Welcome back, students. Let's move on to the remaining part of this chapter, Birth, which is written by A.J. Cronin. In the last video module, we have discussed that finally Dr. Andrew Manson, that he was able to save the life of a baby child. So now, because the problem we know very well, that the child was born lifeless, it means stillborn child having breathing problem, and that is especially in the medical terminology it is called as asphyxia pallida, that in detail we have seen. And using his practical knowledge, his experience, that he tried something different there, because in case of Susan Morgan, it means mother, that he tried traditional method, but here it's a mixture of traditional and his own experience there, and finally he saved the life of that baby child. And he used the method there, different method. What he did, that he rubbed to the chest of the child with a rough towel, crushing, releasing his little chest, both his hands, and trying to get breath into that limp body. And finally, that he felt the child gave a short convulsive heave. And what happened then? The child was gasping deeper and deeper. A bubble of mucus came from one tiny nostril. It means that was the sign. Now he revived the child. And that was really unbelievable thing, especially for the nurse also, that midwife. And the nurse said, "Dear Father in heaven." Who says? Nurse. The nurse sobbed hysterically. Here the meaning is given. Hysterically means here, it means in an uncontrollable way. It means uncontrollably that she sobbed. Who? Nurse. Because that was really a wonder. The child who born lifeless, it means stillborn. Now the doctor revived the child, it means revived back to life. And it has come, she said. Andrew handled her the child later on. He felt weak and dazed. Now due to the feverish efforts, continuous efforts, persistent efforts, that he felt what? Weak and dazed. Dazed means just like stunning, exhausted, that he was shocked. About him, the room lay in a shuddering litter. Everywhere the things or the articles that they were lying here and there. It means across the room, the whole room, that they were lying here and there. In that, blankets, towels, basins, soiled instruments, shuddering litter is totally that they were in a maze, lying. Articles including towel, basins, buckets, blankets, soiled instruments. Soiled means here dirty instruments, that they were lying here and there across the room. Now, the hypodermic syringe impaled by its point in the linoleum. Hypodermic syringe impaled means stuck here. Impaled or stuck where? By its point in the linoleum. The ewer knocked over large way. Then the ewer knocked over the kettle on its sides in a puddle of water. Kettle, each and everything, buckets, blankets, towels, syringe, basins, soiled instruments, they were lying across the room. Now, it means it is given here that they were in a total maze, shuddering litter everywhere, the room. Upon the huddled bed, the mother still wringed her way quietly through the anesthetic. And the mother, Susan Morgan's mother, still that she was just like in an unconscious way, still that she was there. The old woman still stood against the wall. She was also wondering there. Plus, she was in a shock there. What will happen there? She bothered. So that's why she stood against the wall. But her hands were together. But that old woman's hands were together. Her lips moved without sound. She was praying. Her hands together, and the lips were moving without sound. It means that she was praying to God about the life of that small baby there, that she was praying, putting her hands together. Now mechanically Andrew wrung out his sleeves. Wrung means here twisted, here squeeze, twisted, fold, wrung out his sleeve, pulled on his jacket, and I will fetch my bag later, nurse, he said finally. It means he had done his work now. He had completed his work, so that's why after a lot of effort that he saved both the life, mother and the child. And finally he took a sigh of relief and he handed over the child to the nurse and he said that I will fetch my bag later, nurse. And in this way that he went downstairs. So children, here the short part we have discussed. Now only few lines are left that we will discuss in the next video module.